So what's number 3?
Number 3 was...
Or any, like, you guys can interrupt me too, like if you have any thoughts or whatever.
JC was talking about sibilance, so you just addressed that. And then Javon said...
Oh, I gotta know, that's on JC's vocal.
Oh, it is?
I believe. Yeah,
Should
all right, let's go to his verse. Let's go listen to JC's verse. It was harsh, a little bit, a little sibilant.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just...
So really, it's just the S's, the sibilants. Let's play it one more time.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not.
So the reason why I know that there's a little bit too much consonants or sibilants is because anytime he's pronouncing a word and you hear the S or the T or whatever, the energy behind it is just a little bit, it sounds a little bit unnatural. Like it's not like how I'm speaking to you, like where you hear equally the body of my voice as well as the detail of what I'm saying. In his vocal, yeah, you hear what he's saying, but also just listen. Yeah, it's like, it doesn't sound natural.
Yeah.
It's not like crazy. I forgot who in here had a literal snake like sound. Can't remember who. Someone was like, their S's were crazy. I don't even know, but so yeah, let's play it back.
Trying to find the other side. Live, laugh, cry, see it's life.
That's a real easy fix. It's just a de-esser. We just need a de-esser. We already got one. All right, so.
Such thing as a de-esser?
Yeah. Gotta study, man. Gotta study up. All right, so this is the thing, right? A lot of people get de-essing wrong, and usually they get it wrong because they're either not doing enough or they're doing too much. And I think the worst, honestly, is if you're doing too much, because then you're gonna have a lisp. So the reason why I'm not going to de-ess anymore on this initial de-esser in the top is because after we're de-essing his voice right here, we are then cutting some frequencies and then we're compressing with the SSL. But if I were to de-ess even more with the initial de-esser up here, we're gonna lose too much of the S, and it's gonna be easier to tame it after we compressed. So right here, I'm just gonna add another de-esser in the chain. We'll just use the same waves one. And as I said,
that's a de-esser too?
Yeah, this is the same de-esser that we just used previously. This one is just like one of the easiest ones, and it sounds amazing. And you can just use literally like one knob for the most part to dial in the right amount you need. So literally, like on your vocal, just go here and just start dragging that down. And as soon as it starts to feel like you're hearing someone naturally, as you would in the real world, that's generally where you should have the setting.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of the world, so I don't want to interact. I'd rather just find peace. I'd rather just be me.
So you notice right there, like, it's not like we lost any, we know exactly what he's saying. It's just that the S's and whatever are a lot more smooth now. So before.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy.
You know what I'm saying? That life.
Laugh, cry, see it's
life we enjoy. That's
laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy.
A lot of S detail there now with this end.
Laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side.
And the reason why this is important, because now you can play this track super loud in your car, and it's not gonna be hurting your ears at all. No harshness. Just that right there. That just needed to get fixed. So let's hear this in the mix.
What? I go out every day. Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy.
Here's another thing about this though. Although I liked the setting in solo, like when I popped his vocal into the rest of the track, I feel like based on like, you know, what the drums are doing sonically, we start to lose a bit of like the energy in his voice. Yeah, so you gotta balance it. You gotta kind of bring some back. So like here's before again.
Live, laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness.
You know what I mean? So let's bring a little bit back.
Laugh, cry, see it's life we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of the world, so I don't want to interact.
And the great thing about doing that now is like, I would actually like to bring his vocal a little bit louder. And now I can comfortably do that because it's more smooth. So I know it's not gonna hurt or be harsh when I bring it up.
it's like we enjoy. Trying to find the other side, but my happiness void. Well, it's not, I bring it back. Sometimes I just react to the conscious ways of.
You know what I mean? And then
Quick
maybe
question.
add like a little bit of reverb since we brought his voice up.
Quick question.
Yeah, what's up?
What's the name of the knob that you use for the de-esser? Because I want to be able to open up any de-esser plugin and find
So
the
this,
exact dial.
yeah, this is basically your threshold, but in this plugin itself is just called DS, like how much you want to DS.
But then why is there another dial that says threshold?
This is actually a compressor. So this side of this plugin, you don't, unless you want to start compressing the vocal too, then you would use this, but we're not using that at all. Hey, I hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and I'll check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. My name is Princeton Brown. I'm a producer and mixing engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you have a brand new song that you're working on and would love a mix on by me, send it my way. I would also love to give you feedback on the mixes that you're working on, so please send those my way. Last but not least, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. All of this information is in the description below. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Sonic Gold Production.